everybody, I'm Lorraine from La Poste and I'm here to speak with you about our new product, Post-it. It's kind of a super tool for new businessmen and women. When you wanna create your own company, you need to pass through a lot of steps. For example, fill many papers for administration, think about design, logo, or just have to turn your amazing idea into something legal and economically viable. All these steps could be very confusing for a lot of people. How to start, to prioritize, how you have to do to success. Post-it is our answer. Before being your own boss, Post-it supports you to reach your goal in a simply and an easy way. You choose your box according to your needs. If you just have an idea but no clue how to make it real, Kickstarter seems to be appropriated. It contains all the basics tools like mail address, Trello account, a guide with all the steps to follow, and a lot of other tools. If you're ready to launch your business, Kitoff is the one you need. It lets you focus on your added value and manage your environment with internet box, visit cards, mobile phone, papers or envelopes. If you don't wanna think too much and you just want everything right now, you could buy KitAS. All you need is available now, packed together with a monthly payment. What a dream, right? Well, Post-it belongs to Le Groupe La Poste. We wanted to offer a product suitable for all professionals, not only established business owners, and we are pleased to say Post-it is the partner of every talent. No one has to feel alone in this journey. We worked with the marketing school to refine our way to sell our products. After a few months, we came to this new offer, 3 packs, suitable for every needs. With Post-it, get your business in one click. Go on www.postkit.com and let's try to be the future Steve Jobs.
Hi everybody, I just received my kit. I'm really excited about what's inside, so let's check it out. Okay, so first the origami from Post-it. Not sure I will do it yet. Okay, so there is a memo with okay, that's here. Login and passwords to connect to every website from the products. Okay, that's a checklist. That's everything I need to do to create my business. Okay, that's great. Okay, right. There's also a bunch of envelopes and some stamps with my logo on it. These are, I believe, yes, these are my visit cards with my own design on it. That came great. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is my credit card with the bank account I opened with Post-it. Here are, I believe, some information about the, yes, my internet box with some refunds, I guess. And this is my SIM card for my professional line. And finally, this is the USB key with a reminder of everything I need to do to create my business, and also document on how to create a business plan and a business model. Well, that's it. This is kind of great. There is everything I need to create my business in here. Well, thank you, PostKits, and see you later.